Hey guys, welcome back. Oh my god, I was scrolling through, actually I think it was Instagram, and I saw this eyeliner. This is marketed to be magnetic eyeliner, so you're supposed to be able to put this eyeliner on and then your lashes will stick to it. I can see so many things being so good about this and then so many things being so bad about this. First, it comes with this eyeliner and a brush, which I don't know. I bought the 3-pack. It comes with 3 different lashes. So it comes with sassy, flashy, and classy. I really just needed to test this out and see if it works. Or if it works well. Because I feel like it's gonna work, but I don't know. Like, imagine like if you do like a thick wing. Is it gonna stick to the top of the wing? I don't know. By the way, this is Moxie Lash. Yeah, that's the brand name. And I've been just seeing ads everywhere for it, so I'm excited. I'm really excited. So first thing I guess is just to try the eyeliner. I never use potted eyeliner anyway, so it's like, this is gonna be difficult for me, I feel like. What the heck? The brush, I can't get it out. Oh my god, I got it. She's released. I'm gonna do a swatch first on my hand to see how it feels. Ugh. So it's not super pigmented. I'm gonna like really load it on the brush here. See if we can get a wing going. I'm like really like getting in there to get it on the brush because it's like, it's really thick. Ugh, okay, I think I'm gonna have to use a different brush. Oh yeah, okay. Now I feel like I can do this. That brush that came with it is definitely like not, I definitely would not recommend using that brush. I actually like this eyeliner. Now that I used a different brush, like an angled brush, it actually applied really well. It's not like super, super black, which I'm not that mad at. Like, I don't hate it. I really don't hate the eyeliner, but we'll see if it serves its purpose. I'm gonna do the other eye, or the other wing off of camera, and then we'll test the lashes. I'm really excited for that. Okay, BRB. Okay, so I did the other wing, and then I realized that I had directions right here. Apparently, you're supposed to follow these directions. It says to dip the brush in the magnetic eyeliner and then slowly glide the brush along your lash line to create an outline for your liner. And then, starting on the inner corner, basically just it's telling you how to make a winged eyeliner just in a different way, so I didn't break any rules. It says the length and thickness can be filled to your liking, so I did that. Now it says to just place the magnetic lashes on the liner for bigger and sexier eyes. Ooh, okay. Let's choose. Do I want flashy or sassy? I definitely don't want classy, because let's be real. Sassy is just not really my style. Actually, maybe it is, but I think I'm in the mood for like these more like fluttery lashes today. They have these like little magnets. I guess it's similar to like the other magnetic lashes that they had out there. Oh my god, this is gonna be hard because like they want to stick to the tweezers. So I guess I can't trim them. All right, let's just try. Oh wait, should I put mascara on? I'm just gonna do like the tiniest bit just so that you can't see my real lashes because they're lighter than the false. I don't know, like I feel like I need to trim them. Oh my god, they just keep magnetizing to everything. They fell and it just went straight on my scissors. Oh my god. Well, it doesn't want to stick on the inner corner. Yeah, because there's not a lot. Oh, it doesn't want to stick. All right, wait, I'm gonna trim them. So like, I guess I'm just gonna try it because they have like these little magnets. You see, like they stick to the scissors. So I'm gonna go like in between. Oh my god, it's impossible to trim. They just keep sticking. Oh my god, they just keep sticking to the tweezers. Okay. There we go. I mean, it doesn't feel secure. Like that's the only thing. It's pretty, like the lash is pretty though, but like, let's see how easy it is to take off. Oh, okay. I'm gonna try the other lash style on. Sassy lash, which is this style. They're a little bit fuller. It is easy, but like, it's also really frustrating. No, I don't like that style. I don't like that style at all. All right, so I definitely learned that you do not need to use tweezers because that just makes it way too difficult. But if you throw them on with your fingers, It actually works really well. Okay, wait, let me do my other lash. Okay. Dude, that's so nice. I'm kind of obsessed. What the heck? I mean, okay, wait. This one is not really looking that good. See how like, it kind of doesn't want to stick exactly where I want it. I think I actually need to add more eyeliner onto this eye. Okay, let's see if that did it. Okay, let me put on lower mascara and like see what it looks like fully completed. BRB. Oh God, I want these to work so bad, but like the problem is on the inner corner, they don't want to stick. And like from far away, they look really good. And like up close, when I really get in at the mirror, I'm like, no, like they just like are not, can you see? I feel like you can't see on camera. Can you see? It's not sticking on the inner corner. And so I tried adding more a couple times and like it just doesn't want to stick on the inner corner. Maybe if you have like a really thick wing, it would work. You definitely couldn't do this if you wanted just like a line of eyeliner, which is like, I feel like how they marketed it online with like literally just like tight lining your eyes and then throwing lashes on. Honestly, like the concept of these is so good. Like I want to like them so much and I want to be able to use them so much because that was so easy. Like you throw on your wing and then you just pop these bad boys on and they stick. Like that's amazing. But you definitely cannot use tweezers. They just like stick to the tweezers. You have to use your fingers. So if you have long nails, good luck with that. I can't, like I really want to say good things about them, but I just can't because the inner corner is not working. And like if the inner corner is not working, you don't want to be one of those girls with the lifted lash, which is who I am right now. And I do not identify with her. Really good idea. I love the idea. It just isn't magnetic enough. And that's a big problem for me. So in the end, I'm gonna have to say that this is not a good product. I know you guys are probably seeing the ads like I was. I literally saw so many of them and I just had to try it. So I'm glad I tried it, but in the end, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.